words and your actions matter for so many. You are a listener or an advisor sometimes of your friends and your family. But once you're in touch with your heart, once you are in touch with your emotions, you become this beacon of light that the world needs. Some of you, you have children. Some of you, you have grandchildren. And you have a huge responsibility because you are the lighthouse of these lives that are coming into adult life. Those memories of exploration as a baby stay in the subconscious mind. Sometimes it could happen that your grandfather or your parents reprehend you back in the day in your childhood, and you took it so personal because as a children you didn't have tools. We didn't have tools to understand what's going on, and we are the result, unfortunately, of parents who didn't have tools either to regulate their nervous system. So there is no one here to blame. So the intention with this workshop is to bring you into an experience where sometimes we're gonna be in couples, sometimes we're gonna be all together, and this is a sacred space. And many things and everything what I do, we are in a safe container, and it's okay here. Everything is okay here. There are no judgments here. There is no one here to prove who is better than another. We are all the same. And sometimes if the emotions are gonna come up, I'm going to ask you to let it flow, these emotions. If you feel the need to cry, go for it. If you feel the need to laugh, go for it. Don't restrict yourself. So this is the journey, the behavior of what I did or what I said. Because you, all of you, you are God and goddesses on earth. You might feel, but you don't know what. It's important also to understand that behind any person that you met in life, husband, wives, friends, we are always working in patterns. So especially your mother and your father are always behind the person that is close to you. That person that is triggering you all the time is because it reminds you your mother or reminds you your father. Recognize you, your energy. We know you. And once the person is feel comfortable, that person can open the eyes and witness all the beauty that is around, come back into the circle, and the next person will join into the circle. It means a lot for so many to be recognized. Of this person and welcoming a new one, you can just say thank you with a blink of an eye, and this is non-verbal communication.